Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Sainsbury shopping haul for you. Okay, so I decided to do it as a voiceover as it was quite noisy in the house today. So just a quick scan of what's on the table here. So there's 2 bottles of diet lemonade at the back and 2 packs of 4 cans of Coca-Cola. I'm just showing you the mushrooms. So I've got 2 punnets of mushrooms, a romaine lettuce and asparagus spears. There are some more of those in the haul. Some broccoli, 2 lots of the tender stem broccoli, some spinach, and then I've got 2 packs of the cherry tomatoes and a pack of salad tomatoes, but there's another one somewhere, cucumber, and then there's a couple of packs of cold meat for the dogs. There's some ham, 14 slices of ham, and then 2 different types of salami, 2 packs of salted butter, and then 2 packs of cheddar cheese. This is mature cheddar, 900 grams per pack. Then I've got feta cheese, some Gruyere, blue cheese, some cream, the squirty cream, 4 cartons of fresh orange juice, and then I've got cottage cheese there, 2 packs of Flora, Philadelphia cheese and some Greek yogurt with honey going through, and some mozzarella, halloumi, and sour cream, and some double cream. If you can hear any snorting going on, one of my dogs is snoring. He's asleep but snoring. And then 2 lots of pate, as you could see. There was 2 lots of Brussels pate and 2 lots of the Ardennes pate. And that's just another quick look over on the table. And this is what I've got to show you still. Look at my dog snoring. I do apologise. Okay, so I've moved other stuff onto the table now. So there's some Heinz tomato ketchup, HP brown sauce, some real mayo, and a can of kidney beans, some crackers, peanut butter, some salt in the little grinder, some tuna fish, and then I've got 6 cans of baked beans, some squash, blue cheese dressing, white sauce for lasagna, some rice, and these are just like a selection of the chocolate biscuits, and paracetamol, 2 packs of paracetamol, King Edward potatoes, and then I've got southern fried breadcrumbs, peppercorn sauce and curry sauce, and then 3 packs of still water. And then these are the only frozen things that I had for this fortnight. So some corn bites, some petit pois, and some frozen sweet corn. Okay, moving on to other bits now. So 2 Hovis loaves, the thick, soft white slices. some tinfoil, bagels, 2 bars of serene malt loaf, and this is the sourdough bread, 4 loaves of sourdough bread. So, some are going to go into the freezer. So there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. French stick. And here I'm just trying to show you that in Sainsbury's they call it giraffe baguette. There you go. Makes me chuckle every single time. So yeah, that's everything in this little section. Right, and now householdy bits. Toilet roll. This is the one where 4 rolls equal 8. Crisp, Walker's Crisp, the classic collection. And then there's some McCoy steak crisps there. Some tortilla crisps for chilies. Special K granola, you can just see through there. Some coffee, washing up liquid that Chris has just passed me. Some Ovaltine, some onions. An avocado. And then some dog treats. So a little variety of dog treats with a few more to come. Now I'm showing you some dog food. These are the pouches, there's 40 per box. And then I haven't used cling film for years, but I thought I'd give it a go again. Bananas, more dog treats. Some kitchen roll, 2 packs of that. There you go. And then another pack of toilet roll. I just bought a cake, a big cake. This is £4 something. We've got family coming down at the weekend, so I just thought some cake with squirted cream. It'd be a nice little, little dessert. Bacon wise, I've got 2 packs of streaky bacon, 4 packs of the back bacon, because when they get here I make bacon sandwiches. There's the other avocado. Fresh meat wise as well, 2 packs of the chicken mini fillets and a gammon joint for a roast dinner. Granny Smith apples and another pack of asparagus spears, some bird's eye chilies and some blood oranges. I haven't had blood oranges for a long time, just fancied them. Some ginger, garlic, 2 punnets of grapes, green and red. Another pack of salad tomatoes and carrots. 2 packs of beetroot. 2 packs of smoked salmon to go with cream cheese and bagels. And then I've got 3 packs of salmon fish cakes. Steak, and this comes with the, I think it is the peppercorn sort of butter. I've got 3 packs of steaks, 2 packs of minced beef, and then 2 packs of extra lean diced lamb for a lamb tagine that I'm going to be making. Puppy training pads. I always keep some of these down for dogs when they're here, just to avoid any accidents. 2 bottles of extra virgin olive oil. And then I've got 2 dozen eggs, free-range eggs, a pack of gold bars that Luke and Chris love, a bag of sugar, corn flour, gosh, that's got expensive, a pack of chopped tomatoes, so there's 4 in that pack, and then just to pop this away for when we go on our holiday, this is just a face cleanser. I just thought I'd, just try something new and just pop it away, get it out the way, and some new flannels. So there's 2 sort of blushed pink ones and 2 grey ones. There's Chris having a look at the flannels. Feel really, really soft. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.